Hey y'all, and welcome to the Liberty Lovin Kitchen, where the first ingredient is always love. I'm your host, Barrett Patton, and my co-host once again is here today, my dad, Patrick Patton.
How do you do?
And this video is going to be nice and short and simple because we are going to show you how to make better than Bisquick baking mix. Now, a lot of you for many years have probably used Bisquick to make biscuits or pancakes, any number of things. Well, we're going to show you how you can make a mixture that you can use anywhere you would use Bisquick with all natural ingredients. So let's get started.
We'll start off here with our flour.
This is 6 cups, or by weight 840 grams of all-purpose flour, and all we have to do is mix all these ingredients together in a mixer and then take it out. Next, 3 tablespoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, and lastly, are we going to go ahead and...
We'll go ahead and take our dry ingredients and mix the baking powder and the salt thoroughly into the flour. That just helps make sure everything's mixed in before we add the fat.
Yeah, we like to use this Bisquick a lot for our garlic cheese biscuits that we'll be making in another video. And like I said, anything you use Bisquick for, you can use this mixture. Alright, so the last thing we're going to add is 1 cup of lard. This is lard that we've rendered ourselves, and you can substitute this for like shortening or Crisco. But for best results, we recommend using lard. And if you want to learn how to render lard yourself, be sure to check out the video on our channel where we take you through how to do that. So 1 cup of lard.
I apologize. The lard really makes it. Once again, we'll attach our, cover our hole so the dust doesn't come out. Mix it once again. And that'll just work all the fat into the flour. Hope you got that pro tip.
Yeah, that's real important.
Take our paddle off and we will get, and you'll see now it has, instead of having the consistency of flour with that fat in there, you'll see it looks just like Bisquick. And at this point, if you're ready to use it, make it into pancakes or biscuits or whatever, anything you use Bisquick for. You can use our version, which is better than Bisquick, we call it. Or, in this case, we're not ready to use it at this exact moment. So we'll just put it back into our Bisquick bowl for use at a later time. We are very shortly going to be making some of our garlic cheese biscuits. I think you mentioned that.
Yeah, we're excited to show y'all how to do that. So be sure to check it out.
And one of my personal favorites, sausage balls.
Yeah.
That's probably one of my favorite, I don't know if you call it a comfort food or not, but It is very
I would
comfortable.
call it a comfort food.
Yeah, I guess it probably is.
Yeah.
But I eat so much of it, I'm usually uncomfortable when I get done.
Well,
But,
that is true.
you know,
But that's it. There you have our Better Than Bisquick baking mix.
bam, quick, easy, simple, and we're ready to go.
Alright, so we're going to wrap this up for now, but thanks for joining us, and don't forget to press that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notification bell to never miss a new video. And lastly, and most importantly, don't forget to share this video with anyone and everyone you know. But we'll see you next time here on the Liberty Lovin' Kitchen.
And real quickly, I'd like to say we really don't want to press that like button. We want you to smash that like button.
Yeah, that's right. That's the better term.
But thanks for joining us, and we will see you soon.
Thanks, everybody.